as a student, aside from your regular reading, studying, and all of that, there is something very, very important that you need, and that is money. For you to survive on campus or off campus, you need money as a student. You need money for your handouts, your projects, your research, and all of that. And that is why I have decided to compile a list of 10 major ways that you can actually make money as a student. At least in this video, you will learn how you can make at least $100 monthly using any of these 10 methods or ways that I am about to share with you. So if you're seeing our video for the very first time, we create video here. This is Kemi of Cyber2, and what we do here is we create content about how you can make money online, what can upscale your financial game. So if this looks like something that you actually like, please do want to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, as usual, we'll always love you. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive right into the video. Number one on this list is to become a TikToker. Hey, yeah, somebody will tell you there is no money on TikTok. You see that black app? Hey, people are making thousands of naira, thousands of dollars on that black app. All you have to do is to sign up on TikTok. Some of you will say, yes, you don't have 1,000 followers. No problem. You can sign up on TikTok and get short clips from Facebook, edit and repost on TikTok. I can guarantee you, if you post at least 5 clips in a day on TikTok, in less than a week, you should be having more than 1,000 followers for you to start live. And please make sure that there are popular, videos, popular movies that you can edit and repost. You understand? I can guarantee you that within a week you have your 1,000 followers and you will start going live. Now, once you start going live, people will start gifting you. You understand? Aside from that, also you can play games with others, get gifts. You can enter people's giveaway, get gifts as well. And now, aside from that, there are international accounts that actually pay for views. Yes, Nigeria is not yet recognized, but if you have an international account, or if you have someone abroad that can open an international account on TikTok for you, you can get paid for your views. I will recommend TikTok as the fastest way for you to make money as a student online. Number 2 on this list is writing an ebook. Now, an ebook is an electronic book. It is more like a soft copy. Now, the first thing you have to do if you want to write an ebook is to have something at the back of your mind called niche. Yes, what are you writing about? Choose whatever you want to write about, maybe fitness, cooking, anything you want to write about. Then use ChatGPT, yes, to use it to create your outline. Aside your outline, use ChatGPT to simply write your ebook, then copy it on WPS and exchange it to a PDF. Then you can sell it off on websites like Smash.com, website like Drum to Digital, website like Amazon KDP. They all help you to sell your ebook, and that is how you can at least make $100. Or Smash.com or any of those means that you know that you can use to sell an ebook. Number 3 on my list here is freelancing. Now, you can freelance on almost anything that you want to freelance about. Maybe web development, graphic designing, video editing, anything you want to freelance about, you can freelance about it. Even if it's writing, maybe article writing, blog writing, anything. Now, if you're looking for means that you can use to, acquire a skill on that, you can use YouTube. YouTube is absolutely free. You can research anything you want to research on YouTube and start practicing with it. Skills, you can go on sites like guru.com, toptar.com, people per hour. Put out your gig out there. You do not need to bother yourself when it comes to delivering that job. As long as you're rehearsing, you're practicing, you will be good at it. As a video editor, I recommend you start with CapCut, and as a graphic designer, I recommend you start with Canva. These websites are absolutely good for beginners, and they are beginners friendly, and they are absolutely free of charge. Number 4 on this list is online paid tags. Now, online paid tags are simple tags that you do online and you get paid for it. Now, there are some companies that requires feedback, service fee, reports, or data entry on their products and services. And now that is where you come in as a student student. You can sign up on the website like Survey Junkie, Clickworker, BI International, and start working there as a taxer, where you give reports of services being used by you, or you give feedback of what you think about a service that you have used. Number 5 on the list is to become a transcriptionist. Now, a transcriptionist is someone that listens to an audio, put it down in writing, maybe verbatim or word for word, or whichever way you put it down, you become a transcriptionist. If you want to know more about a transcriptionist, you can go on rev.com and browse how much they pay a transcriptionist and what transcriptionist does. You can also use Go Transcript or Transcribe Me. They all accept you from Africa. Whether you are in Nigeria, Togo, wherever you are, they will accept you. Now, these are works that you can do as a student and get paid online. You can get paid into your Payoneer account or into your PayPal account. You understand? And you earn in dollars using this website. Now, Rep.com pays you weekly for whatever you do. Number 6 on this list is homework helps. Now, people get paid a lot of money to help other people do their assignments. Now, there are a lot of children out there that cannot actually do the assignments on their own, but rather they pay other people to do it for them. And for you to, if you know that you are academically fit or academically sound, you can take up this task and start making up to $100 every month. Now, you can go on websites like Course Hero, Brainly, Check, Course Eagle to sign up and start helping other people to do their assignments, whereas you also make money in that aspect. The number 7 on the list is content creation. Believe you me, whether you see them dancing or you see them jumping up and down, they are getting paid for their content. Content creation simply means you bringing out your camera, putting it to your face and recording whatever content you have, maybe dancing, recording yourself cooking, acting, whatever content you have, just start recording it, put it out there. TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, you get paid for content creation. Now, Google will pay you for putting ads on your content on YouTube. Facebook will pay you for putting ads on your content on Facebook. TikTok will pay you for the number of views that for number of times people actually view your content on TikTok. So content creation is another means to go if you want to make money online. Content creation can pay you up to you can get paid up to $2,000 in a month just by doing this content creation. 8 on our list is micro tags. You can do micro tags such as liking a post on Instagram, commenting, following a page, subscribing to a YouTube channel. You can do those micro tags and get paid. Now, this will not make you a millionaire. This will not make you rich overnight. It requires you to work. Yes, you have to do almost all the micro tags for you to make a significant amount of money. Now, websites that you can sign up and do micro tags are owodeli.com, outkids.com, farmshub.com. Those are websites that you can actually, farmshubtax.com. Those are websites that you can actually sign up and start doing micro jobs. Number 9 on our list is domain flipping. Now, you can flip domains. You understand? Just go online, research about domains that are actually .com.ng and go on website like Bluehost or Singer, GoDaddy and buy their .com, because whether you like it or not, later in the future, those websites that are .com.ng or .ng will want to upgrade. Yes, especially e-commerce websites. They will actually want to upgrade to .com. Now, you can list out your website after buying those websites. You list them out and put a significant amount of money on them when you want to flip them or to resell them. I know someone that makes up to $5,000 every month here in Nigeria just doing domain flipping. What he does is buying domains that are actually cheaper. You understand? That people are actually using the .ng currently. Because at the end of the day, those people using the .ng will want to use the .com. The last on our list is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing simply means you selling other people's products and getting a commission for it. Now, you can sell products on Expatia or on Digistem. You get paid. Expatia will pay you in Naira, while Digistem will pay you in dollars. Now, when you sell on Expatia, you get paid a commission between 50 to 50% commission of whatever you sell. Now, being an affiliate market generated a lot of money for people, whereas they've traveled abroad, made a lot of money. So if you're starting up as a students, you can actually use Facebook to kickstart your affiliate marketing journey. Guys, if you like this video, if you like something like this, please do want to like this video. Hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to our channel. Encourage your girl. And let me also know where you're also watching us from. And let me know the type of video you want me to create next. If you want me to talk more, expatiate more about affiliate marketing, please do want to state it in the comment section. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.